Hey everyone, it's Nicole coming in showing you how I styled my kitchen fireplace for Valentine's Day as well as for winter. It's a transition space, or decor should I say, for the space. I left everything pretty much the same except for the poinsettias and this little wreath right here. I had sort of a Christmas little piece inside the wreath. So I just removed the poinsettias that were on the mantle and replaced them with a couple of items that I had picked up from Michael's and Dollar Tree. So you're going to get a chance to see what I did here in a second. But everything else stayed the same. And I like the fact that it has pops of red in it. Right here, I just took actual Christmas ornament that has a heart shape. It's just shaped like a heart with glitter. And I just put that in the center of the wreath. And I left the ribbon because it just worked well with it. But it's just a mini wreath there. And then I took this love sign that you get from Dollar Tree. They had them this year in black and gold. And I took the gold one, or used the gold one here because it sort of matches the picture frame behind it. Just bringing in that pop of gold right there. And it's just centered right in the middle of the mantle in front of the picture. And I just like how it looks. Right here, I'm removing the poinsettias from up there, and that's just a ginormous pine cone that I found, and I just put that up there just as an extra piece of decor or whatever. But yeah, I'm just removing these, and I'm just gonna, pack them up and put them up for next Christmas. And what I did was I found some lanterns that were Christmas themed or whatever on clearance from Michael's, and I took some of the Dollar Tree roses, the variegated roses, and then one bunch of the plain roses and popped them in there and just used it as a vase. And that's what I'm going to do here on this other side as well. It's just a simple little arrangement. I didn't separate them or anything. I just put, I think it's 4 bunches of each of them in the lantern, and just did it that way because I could reuse them down the road. But I love how the lanterns look, and I can use these throughout the year. I can use it for Valentine's Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day. I mean, they could, go throughout because of the red color. But I love how it looks. It's just a nice pop of red because, again, I've said this in the past, red is like an accent in my kitchen. And I just love how it works with the gold and the brown tones of the fireplace. So it looks really nice. And once Valentine's Day is over, then I'll transition into something a little more springy. I have some spring garland that I actually got on clearance from I want to say Hobby Lobby or Big Lots that I've been dying to use. I've had it for a couple of seasons. I just haven't pulled it out and used it yet, but I'm planning on doing it this year. But anyway, I'm liking how everything looks. It's really fun and, festive and everything. So loving how it looks in here. I have not styled my fireplace in the family room yet. I haven't figured out how I want to do it, but I'm loving how this looks in the kitchen. And I'm just going to show you the hearth. I left like these, faux pine tree, little decor, whatever, in that birch log there. Just a nice winter, theme. Pretty much the same as it was during the holidays, except I took like the ornaments and stuff off that I had there. But it looks really nice. It's nice and wintry. And, Valentine's Day inspired as well. But I love it. Love how it turned out. And I hope you guys like it too. And if you like videos like this or like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know what you want to see more of down below. And yeah, I appreciate y'all watching and hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, until my next one, guys, I will see y'all then. Bye.